that means that we need to have some good governance in, overseeing all of this, right? And I think that this is something that I've been researching, and what we have found is that most companies really need help on their governance. I mean, there are no standards. So ISO, the International Standards Organization, has put out several standards related to data, but AI governance is different, I think, and I'd love to hear what you think. But what we've determined is that it requires really a holistic look at the use of both data and models, many of which, as you mentioned, are probabilistic, and that figuring out exactly what constitutes a successful model will be variable in the context of our business operations, our customer experience, but adding things like ethics and privacy and legal compliance. There are many, many different dimensions and many things that can go wrong. And what we found is that people are still working through how we should actually set this up, both structurally, but even in terms of fundamental principles. Most companies, even some of the biggest tech companies in the world, haven't settled on this because it is a very complex problem. I think there's a lot that you can do today, but it is not to be underestimated as a challenge. What are your
Yeah,
thoughts?
I couldn't agree more. I think of AI, and I'm a parent myself, so I think of an AI as being as building an AI system, operating an AI system. The responsibility for governance is being the same responsibility you have as you're raising children. You talked about making sure it does the right things, make sure it has the right information. We are very careful to make sure our children don't watch too much TV so that they don't become informed by whatever bad things they see on TV. We try to control the inputs very much for children, and hope over time. We've also built in a value system that ensures that they're going to deliver, that they're going to produce, and behave, in a productive, ethical way in society. And now we're all talking about ethical AI and governance of AI systems and what happens when data changes and systems change. The difference in AI is, unlike raising a child, it's infinitely immature. So children will grow up, they will hopefully move out of the home and be independent, and they will contribute to society. AI is a responsibility, a system you create, a system you must manage, and a system you must ensure always delivers positive outcomes for your business. So there's a responsibility to make sure that data doesn't drift, to make sure algorithms are fair, that when changing conditions happen, you go relook at those models. It's a never-ending responsibility. More like raising a dog than raising a child in that sense. The responsibility never ends.